There you go.
Follow me.
All right, perfect. Now, yep. Now, go, slow down. Perfect. That's good. I'm gonna come to you a little bit. Stay right there.
I'm trying to stop.
All right, don't move.
Oh, hey, fish.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So, can you hold on to your pole? Okay, so there he is. Now, I gotta take the hook out. So watch. Thumb in.
Yeah.
All right, now the hook is up in the top of his mouth. Okay, so now, really tough. You gotta be really tough.
Where do I hold it?
Just like I am. Thumb in the bottom of their mouth. See it?
What if it?
Pinch hard.
I can't. No, you do it.
Nope.
I can't.
Put your thumb, yes, pinch really hard.
I am.
There you go. 3, 2.
Okay.
Now lay him in the water and just let go. And there he goes.
Okay, I'm going. Bye.
Perfect. That's like right in the spot. It's a great cast. Oh! Keep doing what you're doing. I thought I saw something swim past. And now lower your rod tip a little bit. Yeah, like do the more of the, yes, like that. Because then if a fish bites, you're gonna have to lift up, and if your rod's aiming up in the sky, you won't have anywhere to lift. I'm on, buddy.
What?
I'm on.
Mommy, you said something?
Yes, that's what I just said. I'm on. There, I got him. Which way are you trying to go?
Wait. Can we get a good grab?
Got him?
Hold him.
Can I have him back?
I want.
Oh, you want to release him?
No, you take a picture.
Yeah.
I want to release him.
Okay.
When you're done taking a picture, can I release him?
Here. Move your hand the other way. There you go.
I felt his bone.
Yep. We don't want to keep them out long because it's pretty hot out. Ready?
I caught the first one.
Here we go.
You're right.
Got him?
Yep.
Now lower him in.
Let's get him some breathing.
Yep. I think it's just a little guy in the top water, and I don't have him hooked very well. But there he is. Now let's do an underwater cam because I don't even think my camera's sitting on my hat very well anyway. So let's cool things. That probably didn't work at all, but whatever. Okay, maybe the top water's back on. I don't know. I got all sorts of strikes before. I'm gonna say this. I got all sorts of strikes before. Nothing was hooking up. So maybe it's a little darker. I'm still on this silver color. Maybe they'll start hooking up a little better. I don't know. We're gonna find out. The littlest bass. All right, come here, little guy. Thank you for playing along. That's very kind of you. Because I know that that really wasn't for real. Great hooks right in the roof of your mouth. Gosh, you are leeched up, huh? Look at you. Woohoo! Leeches, leeches, little baby sneeches. All right, let's look at this monster. Thank you. You are just the sweetest thing. Whoa, the sweetest thing.